Alright, the two lines that go to the heater core, the outer side, the outer passenger, goes to the top on the, whatever you call it. The inner hose goes into the lower fitting, okay? Now, on the coil, the green wire hooks into this black one, which goes into the side of the distributor. Holy shit, there's an oil reservoir in the distributor. Wow, now that is old school. Damn. Okay, the red one, this one doesn't hook to nothing. This red one runs over into this little wire loom, and the white one goes down to this sensor down here. There's a little red one here coming off the loom that goes into an upper sensor. This is your sprayer hose, runs over into a T-fitting to go up to the other one on that side. Right here we have basically an orange wire going into, I guess, an orange wire, and it looks like black into black, but then again I can't really tell. Those are for the electric motor, the blower, and then there's a ground wire on it. Solenoid, hot cable, another hot cable. I don't know where the hell this one's running to. Can you see it? I guess we'll figure it out. Alright, then you got your two little wires. The red one goes to the near the hot side, and this one here goes near the outer side that goes down to your starter. Now these wires here, these are your turn signals. The looks like yellow and brown or white, I don't know. And this one here with the green and red, that goes to the lights, the headlights. And you have this wire here is for your horn, and this is your ground. This is your hood cable, which should voltage regulator. This is your headlights again. This one here is your turn signals, which is down there. Another ground wire. This here, fun little setup. This one wire here, actually two wires coming off this loom, hooked down into the horn. Can't tell what color they are either. You have a plug in this harness here, and it's these wires go into this little relay box. You can reach the voltage regulator has, let's see. Alright, this loom here, this one wire goes to the underside of the voltage regulator. The heavy one goes to the lower side, which is your ARM. Your field is this wire here with the stripe on it. This one here, which is the battery wire, that's a heavy wire, and then that's two wires coming off there, right? Mm-hmm. That feed back to that side. So that must be for the other side of the battery wire that I was seeing. Now, your sprayer for your suction thingy, the lower hose on this goes to the pump inside the vehicle. The upper hose goes to the T-fitting for the sprayer. Also, let's see, there's only there's a couple wires on the generator, but it's all in that loom. So this loom here that goes up to the voltage regulator all goes down to the alternator, so we don't need to worry about that because that's not coming off. Two wires here. They go into this sensor for the brakes. I don't think it matters what's what. They're both green, so. And you got two wire looms, and then like these two sets of wires here. You got, looks like two black ones and two red ones. It's kind of hard to tell. But that's for your neutral safety switch for starting, which is currently out of adjustment. I know it's out of adjustment because it doesn't start right. And then your little block here. On this one you have a double wire. This one you have a single wire going to this side. So that comes off this big loom here. Ground wire, which goes from here down to the engine block for the bell housing. And I think that's the only one you got to worry about.